What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here on EMKWAN Reviews. So today's video is very different for me. It's a bit of a random video, but I thought I'd share it with you. These are 3 cool things that you can do on your smartphone, and I've chosen 3 kind of broadish things to focus on for both Android and iOS. So let's start off with the first one, and that is using your smartphone as a heart rate monitor. Believe it or not, you can actually use the LED in the camera unit or in the smartphone, at the back of the smartphone, as a fingerprint sensor to allow this application to measure your beats per minute. Now this works simply by placing your finger over the LED flash, and it believe it or not, is actually close to being quite accurate. It basically uses the LED light and brings back the measurements to determine what the beats per minute are. Now on this application, it registered it down to 88 beats per minute, and if you compare that with the accuracy on my Apple Watch, it's only a few beats per minute off, which isn't bad. Now the second cool thing that you can do using your smartphone or on your smartphone is actually use the smartphone to pay for things. So you don't need to carry around your cards. This does have some limitations. It means you have to register your card, and a lot of new flagship smartphones will have the NFC capabilities to do that. You can use security through facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, or a combination of both, as we'll find on Samsung devices. And what that will allow you to do is essentially use your smartphone to pay for coffee, groceries, or anything else. But there is a catch. The terminal that you use needs to have NFC. Now, the third cool thing that you can do on your smartphone, believe it or not, is actually design your own watch. Now, this is a website called Undone. It's a company that will allow you to choose and customize your own design for a particular watch. Now, they have a range of different styles and designs, and what you can do is actually use the website on your device, on your smartphone. It also works on a tablet or desktop, but it will give you enough options to allow you to really customize your own design. You can change the bezel on a watch, you can change the dial, you can change the minute hands, you can also change the various colors, color components in the straps, the dial, and you can even, on some models, have your own name printed directly on the dial. So it looks like you've got your own truly customized watch. And the really cool thing about Undone is that they will ship worldwide. Alright guys, so that is it. Those are the 3 cool things that you can do on your smartphone. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, and if you have any other suggestions. What I can do is probably do a follow-up video in the near future. But if you're new around here, then before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you see more videos as they go live. We have a giveaway coming up, plus I will be there at the next Apple iPhone event, so stay tuned for more. Until then, I'm EMKWAN, peace and blessings.